ഹലോ ഫ്രണ്ട്സ്, ഹാപ്പി ഇൻഡിപെൻഡൻസ് ഡേ ടു ഓൾ. ഇപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ ഈ ഇൻഡിപെൻഡൻസ് ഡേ ദിവസത്തിൽ നല്ല സന്തോഷത്തിൽ നിൽക്കുകയാണല്ലേ. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ 9th ഡേ സ്റ്റുഡൻസ് നമ്മുടെ കൊച്ചു കൊച്ചു കഴിവുകളെല്ലാം പ്രകടിപ്പിക്കാൻ പോവുകയാണ്. ആരും മിസ് ചെയ്തേക്കരുത്. അപ്പോൾ നമുക്ക് വീഡിയോയിലോട്ട് കിടന്നാലോ. ലെറ്റ്സ് ഗോ.
DJ Arban.
Very snappy day to all. As you all are familiar with this day, let me begin by wishing you a very happy Independence Day. Independence Day brings all Indians, irrespective of their caste, culture and creed, together. As an Indian citizen, we should not consider this day by only hoisting flags and distributing sweets. Independence Day is the symbol of valiant sacrifice of numerous freedom fighters and people of India to attain freedom from the claws of British. Because of such many freedom fighters, we India and Indians stand with head held high. The foundation father of India and freedom fighters need this India to be happy and independent. So let us get rid of illiteracy and take India to a bright future. Jai Hind.
Today, August 15, Independence Day, we are going to speak about few freedom fighters who gave us independence. Mahatma Gandhi. The original name of Mahatma Gandhi is Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. He is considered as the central figure of Indian freedom struggle. In 1893, he went to South Africa and fought for the law of Indian people in South Africa, and returned to India in 1915 and immediately started to get active in politics. He didn't use any weapons. Satyagraha and non-violence were his weapons. First Satyagraha was Champaran in 1917. His non-cooperation movement attracted ordinary people to freedom struggle. He was arrested by the British government. On the release, he was undertook the famous Dandi March in 1930. To break the salt law of British in 1942, he organized Quit India movement and gave the slogan "Do or Die." The British had no other option but to leave India. On 30 January 1948, Gandhiji was shot by Nathuram Godse. He died with the words of God on his lips. Shreya Isena. Now Gayatri is to speak about K. Kelappan.
Yes, Shreya. I am going to say about K. Kelappan. K. Kelappan was a freedom fighter from Kerala. He was a social reformer. However, he knew that it was very necessary for India to get freedom from the British. He was a quarrel revolutionary who was ready to sacrifice his life for the motherland. He went to Bombay to study law. It showed him the way of non-cooperation movement led by Mahatma Gandhi. Thus, he became active in freedom movement. He played an important role in the famous Vaikam Satyagraha and Guruvayur Satyagraha. He was arrested many times during the freedom struggle. He worked for the education of women and villages. He worked hard for the eradication of untouchability. He was in the forefront of Swadeshi movement. He worked hard to build up a base on Khadi and village industries. After independence, he helped starting Madhrubhumi and was an editor for a number of years. He worked for the unification of Kerala into linguistic states. Yes, next there is Aditya to speak about Balagangadhar Tilak.
Yes, I am going to share you about Balagangadhar Tilak. Balagangadhar Tilak was born on July 1856 at Maharashtra. He was a powerful nationalist who laid the foundation for India's independence. In 1914, he founded the Home Rule League. In 1916, concluded the Lucknow Pact with Muhammad Ali Jinnah. This provided Hindu-Muslim unity in the struggle for independence, developed schools and universities. After founding Deccan Education Society, he published 2 weekly newspapers. He launched the Home Rule League with the rousing slogan, "Swarajya is my birthright and I will have it." Mahatma Gandhi called him the maker of India and Jawaharlal Nehru the father of India Revolution. He died on August 1, 1920. Next, there is Anushree to share about Jawaharlal Nehru.
Yes, I am going to share about the first Prime Minister of India, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. He was only the son of Motilal Nehru and Swaroop Rani. The public career of Nehru was between the age of 30 and 75. Before 1947, he spent 11 years in prison. He worked for the Purna Swaraj. He was elected to Congress president in 1930, 1936, 1937. In 1942, Gandhiji formally declared Nehru as a successor. He is generally called the architect of modern India. He encouraged Panchayat Raj institutions. The politics of non-alignment and Panchsheel were proposed by Nehru. He was awarded Bharat Ratna in 1955. Pandit Nehru loved children and they called him Chacha Nehru. He said that the future of nation was in the hands of children. Nehru passed away in 1964.
Hi all, dear friends, my heartfelt wishes for the 74th Independence Day. Probably here there is hardly anyone who woke up on the midnight of 15th August 1947 to hear India's trust with a destiny. We are in an independent country and hence probably understand a very little about insult of being governed by a foreign power. The day remarks the anniversary of national independence from the British Empire on 15th August 1947. Furthermore, it is most auspicious day for the people of India because India became independent after lots of hardships and sacrifices of the brave. After independence in our nation, we acquired all our fundamental rights. We should all be proud to be an Indian and we should admire our fortune to have been born in the land of independent India. From 1857 to 1947, the life of many freedom fighters and several decades of struggle were sacrificed. In conclusion, bringing independence to India by freeing it from British rule was not easy. And 15th August of every year is celebrated to pay a respect sacrifice made by Indian to bring this country freedom. Thank you. This is by Gayatri of 9th D.
A warm welcome to all. First of all, I wish you a happy Independence Day. This day is the most important day for all of us because on this day in 1947 we got independence from the British rule. Our great freedom fighters like Mahatma Gandhi, Pandit Nehru, Bhagat Singh, Subhash Chandra Bose, Rani Lakshmi Bai and many others devoted their entire life for the independence of our country. Today we are fortunate that we are born in an independent country and we have our own fundamental rights. Our freedom is priceless and our brave soldiers fight continuously on borders to protect our country. We all know that no nation is perfect, it needs to be made perfect. So it is our responsibility to sincerely perform our duty and progress together for the growth and development of our country. Surely the day is not too far when our country will be strong and powerful in every field. Thank you. Jai Hind.
बदले रंग यहाँ की बोली में रंगोली सात रंग यहाँ हर कदम कदम पे धरती बदले रंग यहाँ की बोली में रंगोली सात रंग धानी पगड़ी पहने मौसम है नीली चादर ताने अंबर है नदी सुनहरी हरा समंदर है देश जिला देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला.
Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August 1947. After two countries of British rule, India got its independence after 100 years of freedom struggle. We honor our greatest freedom fighters in the national celebration of Independence Day. This day teaches the importance of patriotism and the strengthness of unity. Irrespective of any differences, we remember all the struggles and sacrifices which our ancestors did for the country, India.
a few words on the topic Independence Day. 15th August 1947 is the day imposed in the golden history of India. It is the day when India got its freedom for the 200 years of British rule. It was hard and a long non-violent struggle in which many freedom fighters and great men sacrificed their lives for our beloved motherland. Independence Day is like the birthday of our country. We celebrate every 15th August our Independence Day. It is throughout the year. We celebrate it throughout the year. It is called the red letter day in the history of our country. History of Independence Day is in 1947. On this day, India became independent. We won freedom from the British power after a hard and non-violent struggle. On this day, the stroke of midnight, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, our first Prime Minister, unfurled the national flag at the Red Fort for the first time. It marked the end of 200 years old British regime in India. We now breathe air in a free and sovereign nation. On this special occasion, the people of India remember the selfless sacrifices and unparalleled contribution of great independence of great men and women to achieve the independence of India. Leaders like Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Abdul Kalam Azad, Sardar Patel, and Gopal Bandhu Das are paid reverent homage by one and all in the country. The activities of the Independence Day are: Independence Day is celebrated with great joy across the country. People hold the national flag with three colors and sing the national anthem. There is a great
वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, है वतन वतन मेरे आबाद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, मैं जहाँ रहूँ जहाँ में याद रहे तू, है वतन मेरे वतन, है वतन मेरे वतन। तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, तू ही मेरी मंजिल है पहचान तुझी से, पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, पहुँचूं मैं जहाँ भी मेरी बुनियाद रहे तू, है वतन मेरे वतन, है वतन मेरे वतन।
लोगो देखो देखो छा गया है आकाश पर अब तिरंगा, भरे भरे मन गर्व से है लहरा गया जब तिरंगा। लोगो देखो देखो छा गया है आकाश पर अब तिरंगा, ऐ वतन ऐ माँ जननी तूने दिया है जीवन, तूने दिए आराम, जननी तेरा प्यार है मन में होठों पे तेरा नाम, जननी अब तो एक ही धुन है आए तेरे काम। जागे जागे हिंदुस्तां है और जागी जागी हिम्मत है, रास्ते हैं और कारवां है और मंजिलों की चाहत है, जागा जागा हिंदुस्तां है और जागी जागी हिम्मत है, रास्ते हैं और कारवां है और मंजिलों की चाहत है, जागा हिंदुस्तां जागा हिंदुस्तां।
Thank you for watching. Hope you all enjoyed our video. This is Radhika teacher and her students from 9D signing off. Once again, Happy Independence Day.